Job well done. The job is in progress. So as you can see, I've shown you guys the panel before when I was working on the panel. The 16 panel I was installed was to power this guy you are seeing here now. I told you when I'm done with the panel, I will show you the battery and the inverter section. So as you can see here, this is 5 kVA, 48 volts inverter, Felicity. Brand is Felicity. So this guy here is to power 1.5 horsepower AC, power 800 watt refrigerator, power 95 watt television, and also power 1 horsepower pumping machine, and it's also using washing machine, the inverter washing machine, and all the lighting points. This is what this guy is doing now. So if you have it, I can assure you of steady lights. As you are seeing it here now, during the daytime, this guy is going to work 12 hours a day without power grid. That's what I mean, NEPA, without NEPA support to it. Only the panel and the battery is going to give it 12 hours a day. Then in the night that the panel is not charging, only the battery will sustain you for 6 hours. That's what I mean. So you can see the battery here. Let me show you the battery. This is 8 battery. This is 8 battery. This battery is 2 sets. Call it 2 sets. In the inverter installation is 2 sets. This is 1 set. This is 1 set. Call it 2 sets. In this 4 battery here, you are seeing here. This is 12 volt 220 amps, 12 volt 220 amps, 12 volt 220. All this battery is 12 volt 220 amps. So as you see, this 1 set, this is 4, and the connection in this 4 battery is series. The connection here is series. So in case you wonder how it do, when I did the connection here, series, and it's 48 volts and 220 amps, because once you connect the battery in series, you are increasing the volts. The amps remain constant. That's why the 4 battery is supposed to be like 1000 amps, but it still remain constant 220 because the connection is in series. Also here, also the connection is in series, 48 volt, 48 volt. After I got in this one, the next thing I'm doing to these 2 batteries now is I'm connecting them in series. Oh, sorry, I'm connecting them in parallel. So as I connected it in parallel now, I'm increasing the amps, which is the current. So now 220 is giving me 500 amps, and the constant, the voltage here remain constant, which is 48. Since I'm connecting them now in parallel now, the voltage remain constant, 48 volts. The purpose of that is to be able to power this guy. This guy is 48 volts. That's why my wiring here, my battery connection here is 48 to enable this guy to work perfectly. Yes, and you can see also here, I have a MPPT here, charging controller, and it's 48 volts. This is 48 volts. MPPT, say Felicity. This one is the one that controlling the panel up to charge it. So as you can see, everything is set. For those that need it, maybe you need the installing, want to install it. Let me just remind you, as you all remove fuel subsidy now, it's not coming back. You are going to suffer. You are going to face very soon, and NEPA will not going to give you light. So for you to be on the safer side, you just need the inverter. You need the inverter. Yes, listen to me very well. You need this inverter. This inverter can give you 12 hours light in a day if you are the type of person that need light always. And also, if you want it to give you 24 hours light, I can still also do it for you. So don't fail to contact me when you did the installation of this. The money is not much. Don't fear. Because if I want to shock you now, if I calculate the money you are spending on fuel now during this period now, which is going to continue, it's not going back. This fuel process is going to continue. Very soon, NEPA now is going to jump, and you will now be suffering for light. So don't say, it's too much, it's too much. If you contact me and you need it, I can give you a perfect job. I have 16 panel up, 16, 400 watt panel, 400 watt panel, 10 amps. That's 16 pieces up there, which is going to charge this guy. Sorry, it's going to charge this battery at the period of 7 hours. So you can see what you have the panel that is going to charge your battery full at the period of 6-7 hours. You are good to go. You have a steady light. Yes. So I encourage you key into this. With this now, if you contact me, I will tell you how much you can do. There's a lesser of it. If you don't want the bigger one, you don't want the one you can manage for 2 hours, 3 hours. There's a lesser. The more your money, the more the better. So I'm encouraging you to come and do it. Yes, you can see the work is fine, right? Work is fine. So everything is complete. Here, all the thing is complete. The work is fine. Look at it. See the work. Nice. Very nice. See, it's my job. It's not just only inverter. I'm not just doing only inverter. I do electrical installation. Yes. So that you're not think that I'm dealing with inverter. Even though you have 100-story building, I can handle it. I do industrial. I do domestic maintenance as well. So anyone you want, electrical installation. That's why I normally install inverter myself. So that I also carry out the aspects, electrical aspects, to enable everything work in your house perfectly. Yes. So if you need my service, you will see my number there. You call me and give you the work, give you the price, work continue. I do it anywhere. Yes, it's my work. See, 5 kVA. This is in fact a 5 kVA. Very powerful. You will enjoy it. So, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.